Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify smart contract source on Etherscan, full guide step by step clearly. To verify a smart contract source on Etherscan, first, navigate to the Etherscan website. In the search bar at the top, enter the contract address of the smart contract you want to verify. Once on the contracts page, look for the contract tab. Click on the contract tab to view the contract details. Next, find the option that says Verify and Publish and click on it. You will be redirected to a new page for verification. Here, you will need to select the correct compiler version used to create the contract. After selecting the compiler version, enter the correct contract name in the provided field. Now, copy and paste your smart contract code into the designated area. Make sure to include all relevant libraries or dependencies if applicable. If your contract uses Solidity version Pragma, ensure it is correctly stated in the code. You may also need to provide the constructor parameters if your contract requires any. If your smart contract is using Solidity multiple files, ensure to add all relevant files. Enable the optimization option if you used it during the compilation of your contract. Next, read and accept the terms of service to continue the verification process. Once you have filled out all the fields, click the Verify and Publish button. Etherscan will then compile the provided code to check for matches. If everything is correct, the smart contract will be successfully verified. You will see a confirmation message along with the contract details. Your verified contract is now accessible to the community on Etherscan. Congratulations on successfully verifying your smart contract source. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.